We work with one of the largest manufacturer rep agencies of car parts in the United States. The sales rep calls on the auto parts stores and they meet with the customers to discuss all the manufacturers that they represent. As these sales reps are meeting with these auto stores, they actually need to log their calls related to each of the manufacturers they represent. As opposed to creating 10 different call logs for the 10 manufacturers that this customer sells, SalesNOW has designed it they can do one call log and they can actually list which manufacturers these notes represent, making the sales rep's job a lot more efficient and a lot faster. SalesNOW provides detailed manufacturer reporting that provides each of their manufacturers a detailed report of all the sales calls that were held by all of their sales reps, providing up-to-date feedback of their new products launched and any issues that they have with current products. This company has been with us for almost 10 years and has seen significant growth in both the number of manufacturers they represent and the number of products they represent within each of the manufacturers. This growth is primarily due to providing the manufacturers instant access to their customers' feedback and also allowing the sales rep to focus on the products that are growing the most and on dealing with any customer service issues.